Fifth problem. In a classroom, 4 students are seated at the points A, B, C and D as shown in figure. Zarina and Fani walk into the class, and after observing for a few minutes, Zarina asks Fani, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Fani disagrees. So Zarina observed and she said that it is forming a square. The seating arrangement is forming a square. But Fani is saying that it is not forming a square. So we have to use the distance formula and we have to find who is correct. As we can see, we have to find the points. So A is 3, 4. On x-axis it is 3, on y-axis it is 4. And for B it is 6 and on x-axis and 7 on y-axis. Next for C it is 9 on x-axis and 4 on y-axis. For D 6 and on y-axis it is 1. So let us start the solution. So they have given 4 friends are seated at A 3, 4, B 6, 7, C 9, 4 and D 6, 1. So these are the given points. Now let us write the distance formula. Distance formula is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula we are going to use here. Next, we will find out the distance for these 4 points. Let us find out the distance of AB, then BC, then CD, then DA. Now AB. What is A? A is 3, 4 and B is 6, 7. So x1, y1, x2, y2. So the distance AB is equals to under root of x2 minus x1. So 6 minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 4 whole square. Under root of 6 minus 3 is 3 square. 7 minus 4 is 3 square. So 3 square is 9 plus 9. That is 18. So 18 can be written as 9 2s are 18. Square root of 9 is 3. So 3 root 2 units. So AB is equals to 3 root 2 units. Next we will find out the distance of BC. So B is 6, 7. C is 9, 4. So x1, y1, x2, y2. So BC is equals to under root of x2 minus x1. So 9 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 7 whole square. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 square. 4 minus 7 is minus 3 whole square. So 3 square is 9. Minus square is plus. And 3 square is 9. So 9 plus 9 is 18. And this 18 can be written as 9 2s are. Square root of 9 is 3. So 3 root 2. BC is equals to 3 root 2 units. Next we will find out the distance of CD. C is 9, 4 and D is 6, 1. x1, y1, x2, y2. CD is equals to under root of 6 minus 9 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. So CD is equals to under root of 6 minus 9 is minus 3 square plus 1 minus 4 is minus 3 whole square. Square of the minus is plus and 3 square is 9. Square of minus is plus and square of 3 is 9. So 9 plus 9 is 18. That can be written as 9 2s are. Square root of 9 is 3 root 2. units. So the distance of CD is 3 root 2. Next we will find out the distance of DA. So D is 6, 1 and A is 3, 4. So x1, y1, x2, y2. So DA is equals to under root of 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square, y2 minus y1. The root of 3 minus 6 is minus 3 square plus 4 minus 1 is 3 square. Square of minus is plus and 3 square is 9 plus 3 square is 9. So 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 can be written as 9 into 2. So square root of 9 is 3 root 2 units. So this is DA. Next we will find out the distance of diagonals. So diagonals are AC and BD. Diagonals A 3, 4 and C 9, 4. So x1, y1, x2, y2. So we can write AC is equals to under root of x2 minus x1, 9 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 4 whole square. So under root of 9 minus 3 is 6 square, 4 minus 4 is 0 square. 6 square, we can write this as 36 and 0 square is 0. So 36 plus 0 is 36. Square root of 36 is 6 units. So AC is equals to 6 units. Next we will find out BD. So B is 6, 7 and D is 6, 1. So x1, y1, x2, y2. So BD is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square. So 6 minus 6 whole square plus 1 minus 7 whole square. 6 minus 6 is 0 square plus 1 minus 7 is minus 6 whole square. So 0 square is 0 and square of minus is plus, 6 square is 36. 36 plus 0 is 36. Next, square root of 36 is 6 units. So BD is equals to 6 units. So as we can see, these are the diagonals and both are equal. So we can write hence four sides of a quadrilateral are equal. So what are those four sides? That is AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to DA. So that is, we have observed that we have got all the sides as 3 root 2 units. So 3 root 2 units. Next, all the diagonals and the diagonals are equal, and the diagonals are also equal. So what are the diagonals? AC is equals to, that is AC is equals to BD is equals to, we have got 6 units. So 6 units. Therefore, we can say that this quadrilateral, quadrilateral ABCD forms a square. Therefore, that is, so Zarina is correct. So Zarina said that it is forming a square. So Zarina is correct.